Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about MonstarX dashboard focusing on our left navigation panel. The dashboard shows all of your work here in the main screen, and create project is how new ideas begin. So once you click into this, it will show all four modes and you'll be able to choose whichever one you're looking for. Now, let's close this and go back. So under saved projects, you'll be able to see everything you've built. Let's give it a second to load. And over here, you'll be able to filter your completed projects to showcase, your in-progress projects to continue, and also your draft projects. So let's say I wanted to showcase a project that I've completed. I'll just go over here, and when I click on Start POC, it will go back to the latest version of the project. It's also important to note that this is for every mode except for expert mode. Next, your billing right here, it'll let you know your benefits as well as your limitations, and you can manage your subscription right here. You can also open your billing portal or upgrade your plan with just one click. And lastly, we have your settings and profile information where you can edit your profile and login details by clicking on the Manage Account button right here. Once you click on this, just click on Update Profile. Feel free to change your email address, your name, or add another one in as well. Next, this is my favorite part. Under Quick Actions, we have sample prompts. This is for the moments where you're staring at a blank screen thinking, I don't have an idea, but I want to try building something. Maybe it's a SaaS tool, maybe a landing page, a mobile app, something for e-commerce, learning, fitness, or even cooking. Right, so you can just feel free to choose one. For example, I want to create a job board. So the prompt has been copied and I can immediately go to create project. Let's say wizard mode, create project, yes. So after it's loaded, all I need to do is paste it. For tech professional, I think this looks good to me, but let's say I want to make it for tech professionals and also fresh graduates. Now I can just send that in immediately. And that's really what MonstarX is all about. It's not asking you to be a coder or an engineer. It's just helping you tell a clear story about what you want to build, giving you examples based on the context you've provided. Let's now go back to the dashboard yet again, and let me move this up. Below that, it just shows your plan, and as you can see, I'm currently on the annual plan. Right below is your user email account, and that's it for our navigation bar walkthrough today. Go ahead and try MonstarX for free.